Good evening, students. I am Mrs. Parvati, PGT Physics, Holy Hearts Educational Academy, Raipur, Chhattisgarh. I am with another topic here, magnetic field lines of a bar magnet, or what are magnetic field lines? Okay, and how can you draw the magnetic field lines? And also, what are the properties of these magnetic field lines? This is the main topic of our lesson. Okay, now, so what is a magnetic field line? To know the magnetic field line, I'll do an activity. You take a bar magnet, place it on a white sheet, right? Then sprinkle some iron filings. You notice the arrangement of these iron filings. They are in this way you will observe. You must have done in your previous classes. In this way you will observe. The iron filings are arranged in this way. These arrangement or these iron filings arrangement, we call it as magnetic field line. In theoretically we define that, what I told you already, magnetic poles always exist in pairs. No single pole is available because every atom acts as a magnet. Magnet has got two magnetic poles, North Pole and South Pole. Okay, so how can you choose one unit North Pole? We will take compass needle, I told you in the last episode, and it has got a small needle. One is showing north direction, another is showing the south direction. Okay, that we will consider as unit North Pole. Keep the unit, that compass needle in a map nearer to the bar magnet, and how it is moving, that magnetic compass needle, that you draw the path traced by compass needle due to a bar magnet, that is a magnetic field. That path we call it as magnetic field line. I will define the magnetic field line as the path traced by unit North Pole when it were free to move in uniform magnetic field due to a bar magnet. Once again, it is a path covered by a unit North Pole, that is compass needle. Where? When it is free to move. Where? In a magnetic field. Magnetic field कहाँ से आया? Due to a bar magnet. Bar magnet के पास that compass needle if you keep, ये कैसे move करेगा? That path traced by the compass needle is called what? Magnetic field line. Okay, so how do you draw that? Like this, I told you an activity. Take a bar magnet, place it in a white sheet and sprinkle. The arrangement is, I have shown like this here. They start like that. The arrangement is like this here. These are called magnetic field lines here. Okay, so the magnetic field lines, the magnetic field is strong. What does it mean? If the field lines are very closer to each other, at that point, the field is strong. If the field lines are very, very far away from each other, in that region the field is weak. I will show you strong field and weak field first. You see here? See here. Suppose these are the magnetic field lines. Here the field lines are crowded. Crowded means the strong magnetic field. The field lines are very far away from each other. This is the weak field here. Okay. Now, I would like to say, how do you plot the draw the magnetic field lines? You take a bar magnet, place it on this. This is South Pole and North Pole. Place the compass needle here. It is showing the direction. Put the dot with the pencil. On the dot again put the compass needle. It will show like that. It will move like that. In this way, we will draw the magnetic field lines here. Okay, and this is the very important question for the board exam. Draw the magnetic field lines pattern due to a bar magnet. Then you are supposed to draw like that. Okay, they start from North Pole and they terminate at South Pole here. Okay, they start and then they terminate at South Pole here. Got it? Okay. Now the field lines at the poles of the magnet are very closer. So the field is strong at the field is very strong at the poles. Field is weak at the center of the magnet because the field lines are very wider away from each other. Okay. So as you move from poles to the center, the field starts decreasing. पोल्स में बहुत ज्यादा रहता है क्योंकि क्राउडेड रहता है यह, इसलिए फील्ड स्ट्रांग रहता है. ओके, लाइक दैट. देन नाउ हियर द relative strength of magnetic field is shown by the degree of closeness of the magnetic field lines. Strong hai, weak hai, how can you say? If the field lines are crowded more and more strength here. If the field lines are less in this region, this is weak region here. It's clear? I already showed you about it here. Now let us discuss what are the properties of magnetic field lines. I would like to explain with this diagram. They are closed continuous curves. Number 1 point. They are closed continuous curves. How can you explain with the second point? They start from North Pole and they end at South Pole outside the magnet. Got it? And third point is they inside the magnet they start from South Pole and they end at North Pole. So if you observe carefully, what is this closed loop? The magnetic field lines in board exam you will get this MCQ may. So please pay attention. The magnetic field lines are closed continuous curves. Why? Because outside the magnet, the field lines start from North Pole in the air and then end at South Pole in the air. But inside the magnet, they start from South Pole and end at North Pole. So they are closed continuous curves. Got it? How many points we have studied? 3. What are they? They are closed continuous curves. Second point, they start from north and they terminate at south in air. But inside the magnet, they start from south and they terminate at north here. So they are closed continuous curves. These are the points here. Now, whenever you draw a tangent on the line at a particular point, the tangent shows the direction of magnetic field. Suppose, for example, I have drawn a tangent here like this. Tangent, just touching. This shows the direction of like this I have drawn. This shows the direction of magnetic field from north to south. The tangent drawn at a point gives the direction of magnetic field. Okay, the very important point, board question I am going to explain. Why two magnetic field lines never intersect each other? कभी भी दो फील्ड लाइंस नेवर इंटरसेक्ट ईच अदर. ये ऐसा एक हो गया, एक ऐसा हो गया, ऐसा कभी भी देखिए ये है और दूसरा वाला इसको आके यहाँ तक ऐसा इंटरसेक्शन नहीं होगा. वाई? व्हाट इज द प्रॉब्लम? लाइक दिस नेवर इट विल इंटरसेक्ट. वाई? Because you know that at the point, on any point on the field line, if you draw a tangent shows the direction of magnetic field. Here, how many fields are there? Only one. One bar magnet, one magnetic field. Got it? Okay. If they cross each other at the point of intersection, two tangents can be drawn. One is like this, another is like this. What does it mean? Two tangents means two magnetic fields. But how many fields are there? Only one bar magnet. So, only one field is there. Got it? It's clear? So, only one bar magnet means one magnetic field. But at the point, if they intersect, at the point of intersection, two tangents, so two fields, which is not possible. It is impossible to only one bar magnet, two magnetic fields, impossible. So, that is why no two magnetic field lines ever cross each other. Ever cross each other here. So, but there is only one magnetic field, one magnet is existing, so only one field is existing. That is the reason here no two magnetic field lines ever cross each other. Now, I would like to sum up all the properties. Number 1, they are closed continuous curves. Number 2, they start from North Pole and they terminate at South Pole. Outside the magnet, that is in the air. Inside the magnet, they start from South Pole and terminate at North Pole. Okay. And then, whenever you draw a tangent on any field line, the tangent gives you the direction of magnetic field. Okay. Then, no two magnetic field lines ever cross each other. They will never intersect each other. Why? Because at the point of intersection, there will be two tangents drawn. Two tangents means it will give you two magnetic fields, but there is only one magnet, one magnetic field. That is why no two magnetic field lines ever cross each other. And the last point is, if the field lines are crowded, then we say that field is strong. If the field lines are wider, then we say that field is weak here. Okay. And I would like to say, how do you write the answer, presentation? Why no two field lines are crossing each other? Answer is, at the point of intersection, there will be two tangents can be drawn, but two tangents means two directions of two different fields, but there exists only one field, so which is not possible. So the intersection cannot be considered. Are you following this or not? So these are the magnetic field lines, children. So today in this episode, what I have taught, you know how do you represent strong field and weak field, and you know how to plot the magnetic field lines using bar magnet and compass needle, and you know the pattern of field lines in due to the bar magnet. How you can get it by taking the bar magnet and keep it on a paper and sprinkle iron filings. The arrangement is like this only. And then after that here properties we have studied 5 properties. Okay children, see you, bye bye. अच्छे से इसको पढ़ लेना, याद करना सब properties. Okay, bye bye.